Today, I stand before you to speak on the topic against the motion. Fake news is the biggest threat to society. Fake news is a form of poison that takes roots in the mind of an individual. It makes the vision blur without an eye deformity. It causes our brain to function. It causes our brain to not function properly. It makes our brain empty from inside. Fake news. So now if we're talking about fake news and society, so the picture is a bit different here. Fake news and society are totally two different terms, and there's no relation between them. Fake news, if you're talking about fake news, for example, fake news has been released somewhere. Fake news are never formal. Newspapers never spread messages which are fake. They never print articles which are fake. Even official websites through government initiatives and everything are always formal. No fake news is no fake. All kind of fake news are portrayed on wrong platforms. Wrong platforms are trusted by us. We are responsible for using these wrong platforms. Wrong platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, and etc. There are a lot of platforms to use. So I would like to explain you this with the help of an example. Fake news in, for example, last year, 2025 and 2024, class 12 chemistry examination and physical education examination was leaked on Instagram and Telegram respectively. And what's the funny part here? Students, the next day, students went to give the examinations, and from last 2 years, nobody has scored a perfect score. So that means students, so that generally means that there are students who still studies for the examination. They score high 95s, not a perfect score, but in high 95s. If they would have trusted the news, they would have lost some marks. So now if we talk about NEET 2025 examination, which is called as the JEE Advanced level, it was also leaked on Telegram apparently, but students still it was a problem for students to appear for the examination. It was very tough for the students to appear for the examination. If they have already seen the exam, then why were they facing so much difficulties? So according to me, and I totally believe that fake news is not a threat to society, but using these wrong platforms is the major threat to society. Now I would like to explain about fake news with the help of an example. If we talk about fake news, for example, my opponents may argue about the Delhi bomb threat that was released last year. But let me tell you, in reality, it was an initiative by the government itself to keep a check on the schools whether the emergency alarms are working properly or not. It was by the government initiative. And if we talk about, there are many answer keys released after the examination. For example, the NDA answer key, the JEE answer key, NEET answer key, and also CA and etc. But nobody just trusts the answer keys and go to the college directly that give me this particular college. They wait for it. So now here I would like to end